Hey guys, Sophia the couponer here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get free Starbucks. So when I say free Starbucks, I'm talking about prizes like gift cards, stars, coupons for free food and beverages, some Starbucks items like merchandise, and you can be entered in some sweepstakes. So it's the Starbucks for Life game back again. So I'm gonna basically be giving you guys a rundown on how to play and how to get free plays without making a purchase. As usual, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on those post notifications so you get notified every time I upload a new video. But yeah, let's get right into the video so I can show you guys how to get some free Starbucks. StarbucksForLife.com. I'll have the link down below if you guys just want to click that link, or just go ahead and look up StarbucksForLife.com. So as you can see, Starbucks for Life, we have the Cranberry Bliss Land this time. So enter the land of Starbucks for Life. It's a whimsical town with chances to win, and the gang is all here to welcome you in. Starbucks for Life is the grandest of prize, but you could win goodies of all shapes and sizes. So as you can see here, you can collect stickers to win gift cards, and even Starbucks for Life, we can win instantly, like stars or gift cards. And if you've seen my other videos, you guys know that we usually win a lot of stars, coupons, and I've won a gift card before for just $5. And over here, it tells you too that you can earn up to 2 plays per day by making a qualifying purchase. And want to earn more, you can complete weekly activities. But here, you guys already know that we're not going to pay to play. We're going to get some free plays, and I'm going to show you how in today's video. And then here we have the sweepstake entry this year is for a $20,000 Delta gift card. That's crazy. Well, totaling $20,000. So yeah, so go ahead and click over here, click sign in and play. It's going to bring you over here to sign in or create an account. If you have an existing account, go ahead and put that information in. If you don't have an account, go ahead and create an account. Alright, so I logged in and I actually made a new account just to show you guys this. And I'm going to pull up what I've been winning on my other account. But I'm just showing this example for you guys. So as you can see, once you get in, you get a free play. So let's just get right ahead and do the free play. As you can see, there's just this little present right here. So all you're going to do is tap it. I'm on a desktop, but if you're on a phone, you just go ahead and tap it with your finger. It's going to open up and it's going to tell you what I won. Boom, just like that. My first one, I won 5 stars. So go ahead, click continue. And as you can see here, we're on week 1. So I'm telling you right now, the first day you start doing this each week, you should get up to 4 plays a day. Just the first day of the week, including the first time you open the app. So, as you can see here, you don't have to do this. You don't have to view the menu. You don't have to make a purchase. What we're going to do is go back. We're going to scroll all the way down. To enter without making a purchase, click here. Go ahead and click that. Then another way to play and earn more plays, start by answering the questions below. So, what you're going to do here, these are the weekly activities. Get an afternoon pick-me-up, redeem stars. So you should get 1 play here, 1 play here, 2 plays here, because we have 2 daily plays every single day. So you're going to go ahead, whichever order you want, you can click redeem stars, go ahead and fill this out, and then click submit. Alright, so I'm going ahead and click submit. Check your inbox, so we sent an email with the link to claim your play. Alright, now on the email, depending on which one you picked, again, it doesn't matter because you should be doing all of them because we want to get all those plays in. So since I clicked redeem stars, I clicked, and the other one too, which was not the daily play, it's going to say you completed an activity. So you're going to go ahead and click claim your activity. Then it's going to basically just bring you back over here. You're going to scroll down. As you see, it says 1 activity claim. Right here, click claim it for the extra play. Just like that, we're going to X out of here, and we have another play. So you can go ahead and do that for the other weekly thing, the same exact thing. Look at that, 5 more stars. That's awesome. Now, as you can see here, we're just going to go ahead and click here. Notice how the redeem stars is gone because you can only do that part once a week. Again, weekly activities, you guys. So you can go ahead and do this and fill it out again and get another reward. Then after you're done, claim it, do the prize, then do a daily play, the first one, and then the second one again. And that's it. You should be getting 4 plays for the first day you enter, and it should be the first day of the week. Every day after that should just be 2 daily plays just like that. Again, you don't have to make a purchase. Please don't make a purchase if you don't plan on doing it, because there's ways to play this game to win without even paying a penny. that's pretty much for this video. If you have any comments or questions, just leave them down below. These are just the prizes I've got on this account, and then these are prizes on my other account. Just some stickers, some sweepstake entries, and sometimes some Starbucks stars. Hope you guys enjoyed today's videos. Bye!